The first 3 seconds of your video will decide whether you're scaling or burning budget. I've been deep in hundreds of ad tests this year, slicing long interviews into short clips. And there are a handful of hooks that are straight up dominating in 2025. Some are fresh, some have evolved, and one of them keeps crushing across nearly every category I've tried. So yeah, it's an easy win if you test it right. Quick note, whenever I run a creative test, I don't rely on just one idea. I typically test 4 different hooks for any single video because the best creatives still won't stop the scroll. You can't put all your eggs in one hook. All right, let's walk through the top hook styles that are winning right now. I'll show how I'm using powerful AI to make testing and scaling these hooks stupidly simple. Kicking things off, hook number 1 is the go against the tradition style. These hooks call out a widely accepted rule and then aggressively flip the narrative. They break expectations and instantly create massive curiosity in the viewer. Use these for product education ads or anything where you want to convince someone to try a different approach. They also pair great with before/after visuals to make the payoff incredibly clear. How I use the AI. I feed long-form footage of a founder explaining why their approach is different. The AI finds that exact 6 to 10 second clip where they say the contrarian line in seconds. In seconds, I have a scroll-stopping short that literally starts a healthy debate. Next up, we have conversational hooks, often starting with phrases like "no because" or "wait, why?" These feel like you're eavesdropping on a real, unscripted chat. That casual opener makes the content feel authentic, not like a traditional ad. Creators use this all the time because it prompts viewers to jump in and figure out the rest of the conversation. How I use the AI. I grab candid creator moments from long videos, those spontaneous reaction sentences. The tool auto-edits them into short, native-feeling clips with text overlays. Vizard helps avoid that stocky look by timing the cuts perfectly. Hook number 3 is all about viral product hooks because people love what other people love. Product review angles, founder story clips, and formats that show social proof still work insane. If something's already trending, lean into it hard. Reactions and quick demo sections are pure gold. How I use the AI. I search a long video for moments like applause or laughter automatically. The AI surfaces those exciting peaks automatically, ready to go viral. Then I pair them with overlays like "as seen everywhere" or "top reviewed" for maximum impact. Hook number 4, reaction hooks, are close cousins to conversational ones, but center on genuine surprise. They're authentic because viewers can instantly tell the reaction was unprompted and real. The trick is to brief creators to actually react, not fake that initial look of surprise. How I use the AI. I pull reaction shots from long product tests or unboxing videos. The tool selects the exact frame where the smile or gasp happens for the opening shot. It gives you several slightly different crops and text variants to A/B test the moment. You'd be genuinely surprised how much a half-second change in pacing or crop helps performance. Hook number 5 deals with controversy and polarization because polarizing content gets people talking. These hooks aren't just negative marketing. They introduce a hot take that sparks healthy debate. Controversy can boost engagement and organic reach, but you must use it carefully. You want spirited debate, not the kind of backlash that burns your account down. How I use the AI. When a founder or guest drops a hot take, the AI pulls that exact moment instantly. The tool then preps multiple caption styles: debate-focused, curious, or provocative. Then I use the content calendar to test which tone scales best without burning the account. Hook number 6 relies on trigger words that stop the scroll dead in its tracks. Certain words trigger raw emotions: curiosity, fear, desire, or embarrassment. Words like exposed, never, or time-based phrases like "in 7 days" are powerful. Don't spam them, but strategically place trigger words in the overlay or voiceover work wonders. How I use the AI. I run my best-performing hooks through a quick rewrite process. Then I ask the tool to generate variants that emphasize different emotional triggers in the opening. The auto-edit makes versions with slightly different opening words, so you can test which one actually performs. Hook number 7 is the demographic hook, calling out a specific audience who immediately pays attention. Meta reads your creative for signals, so when your hook names an identity, the algorithm serves it right. Identity-based hooks scale because you're talking directly to a bigger group that identifies with that line. How I use the AI. I extract clips that resonate with different groups from the same long video. Then I create variations like "Hey teachers" or "Fellow small biz owners" for each segment. The tool's batch editing makes it easy to roll out 10 demographic-specific creatives without manual cutting. Hook number 8 is the multiple hooks in one approach, stacking 2 or 3 ideas together. Stack demographic plus controversy, or speed plus demo, to hit different psychological triggers early on. I've seen this prevent drop-off because if one hook doesn't land, the next one often catches the viewer. How I use the AI. I edit a quick 3-4 second reel by stringing 2 micro hooks together. The AI stitches the clip smoothly and suggests the best pacing so it never feels choppy. Hook number 9 is voicing the viewer's internal objection. How do I know if? Asking that objection out loud makes the ad instantly relevant and positions the rest as the answer. How I use the AI. I pull a moment where a founder addresses a common objection head-on. Hook number 10. Speed plus transformation, because people want fast results. Time-based phrases plus a clear visual transformation equal one of the strongest hooks available. The tool finds the before and after frames in long demos and automatically creates a split screen. You could manually scrub content, hire an editor, or buy stock clips, but that's slow and expensive. This AI sits in the sweet spot. It auto-detects viral moments and creates ready-to-post clips instantly. The 3 core things I use every day are the auto-edit, the auto-schedule, and the content calendar. You get creator-like authenticity without months of editing or crazy budgets. Pro tip, don't test only one hook, always run at least 3 or 4 variations in parallel. Push demographic variants hard, as they are still the best scaling lever in 2025. Combine reaction and speed hooks early on for beauty or quick-fix products to boost initial interest. If you don't have UGC, the tool makes long-form demos feel native much faster than building a library. Okay, I just walked you through the top 10 hooks killing it right now and how to turn long footage into shorts. If you want, drop your brand or product in the comments and I'll suggest one hook you should test first. Do me a favor and like and subscribe if you want more breakdowns exactly like this one. I'll keep sharing the exact ways I'm using these tools to scale content every single day. Love you, bye.